Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at another box from Barrel and Blade, or as we like to call it, Barrel or Blade. So these are fun boxes because we get to see who's right and who's wrong, what we're going to get. But before we get into it, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and hit that notification bell down there. Even though it doesn't do anything, you might be the lucky one that gets a notification. You never know until you try. Barrel and Blade. Get your bets in right now. Is it going to be Barrel or Blade? Barrel, Blade, or Barrel and Blade? We're going to find out. You guys ready? Let's do it. All right, so we are back with Barrel and Blade, and as per usual, if you want to check them out, you know, this is a monthly subscription service. You can just type in Barrel and Blade on the old Google, and you can find their website. And like I said, you know, at the intro, we like playing a game here to see if we're actually going to get Barrel and Blade. My channel members here that are watching this live, we've been making some... Everybody's placed their bets on what we're getting. So here's... Okay, before I open this box, I'm going to tell you. I went out on a limb and said we're going to get something for the barrel and something for the blade. Just so you, total transparency, okay? All right, so here's what we got. Here's top-down view. Okay. Oh, my God. Just looking at that makes me want to sneeze. Oh, my God, there's so much dust. There's so much dust and I'm allergic. Okay, there you go. There you go. All right, let's see what we got. Do we have a card of some sort in here? Why did I do that? Why did I just do that? That was not good. Okay, wait, what is this? Blaze Defense Systems. Oh, fire suppression device. Suppresses flames, cools surfaces, non-toxic, non-corrosive, easy to use, easy to clean up. Okay, it says do not use on electrical fires. Okay, foam wetting agent mixture, surfactants, and a proprietary blend of ingredients. All right, well, this is kind of anticlimactic. I thought I was pulling this out and it was going to be some supercharged, you know, like, I don't know, some kind of funky pepper spray or something. Okay, so it's just fire suppression spray. So there you go. Fire suppression device. All right, so we can put out some fires. Interesting thing, starting off. This is not for the barrel or the blade. So we're not starting off on a good note. All right. What we got here? Okay, we got some titanium Cuda. This is for sharpening. For sharpening everything, it looks like, right? Partially serrated blade with liner lock. German 4116 stainless steel. Ooh, it's got a knot loosener on there. I like that, bro. Okay, so we got a marlin spike on one end. We got a partially serrated blade. Okay. God, look at all that dust. Whoop, look at, oh my God, look at that dust, bro. It's out of control. All right, so already we got a blade. We got a blade. All right. From Cuda. It's got a fish on there, like a barracuda. Search Cuda brand. CudaBrand.com. And it says that this was designed with the strength, power, and agility of the barracuda. Fierce, tough, proven. Just like a barracuda. It says they're built for the ultimate in fresh and saltwater fishing and will continue to deliver performance over time. Featuring titanium bonded stainless or carbon. It provides world-class hardness, corrosion, adhesive resistance. It says the titanium bonding process, it says it guarantees that the steel will be 3 times harder than untreated steel. I mean, I like it. It's blue. It's blue. Just saying, you know, I like it. It's blue. God, man. Uh-oh, I got some more polish. I don't really need this because I got a lot of tubes of this stuff flying around everywhere. Get your butt out of there. What are you doing? All right, so I got some metal, plastic, fiberglass polish, corrosion protection. I use this stuff. You know, I've got this, and I've got like 2 other brands that I use on a lot of my knives and stuff. So yeah, I will definitely use this. Okay, so this is not a waste. All right, just saying, this is not a waste. This will definitely get used because I have a lot of it already anyway. Okay, and it looks like we only got 2 more things left. All right, so we got something here that says Department of the Army Technical Manual TM31-201-1, Unconventional Warfare Devices and Techniques. This is a book for incendiaries, you don't say. And this is May of 1966. Nice. So there's going to be a lot of stuff in here that they probably don't make anymore. Any of you guys ever look through these old manuals? You know, you can go to like my guy that owns a friend of mine here owns a like Army Navy like surplus store, and he has a lot of these field manuals and stuff. And I was wondering how many people actually buy these things. You know, because I mean, come on, 1966. You know, I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of the premise of the ideas is still applicable. But getting hold of some of the stuff that they reference in these books might be a little hard for your typical dirty civilian person. You know what I'm saying? Just saying. Especially some of the chemicals. But you never know. Alright, so we got a book on incendiaries. Nice. Oh man, we're coming down to the end. Okay, now this is where we're about to spark a debate. We got a blade. And we got this. Now this is made by NC Star. Okay. So let's see what they say here. We got what do we say? This is for pistol calibers. And it is, you know, it's a soft panel. Okay. This is a 3A. This is a 3A rated panel. So what I do with panels like this, I put them behind my composite panels because they're not thick. I mean, you can see here it's not very thick. So a lot of times, and it is like an IPSIG profile standard, you know. So I will put like I will put a ceramic plate in front, and sometimes I'll put this behind it, just for for spalding and stuff. But yeah, it is cool that they give you this. Now I'm gonna tell you something that may or may not be true, and you can tell me in the comment section down below because I don't really know. But a while back, I did a video and I got a panel like this, and I had somebody comment saying that he didn't understand how a subscription box could send out stuff like this, because I guess in some states you can't have this. You can't have stuff like this. I don't know where. I'm pretty sure like in California or New York or somewhere. But I said, I don't know, bro. You just saw. I just opened this and I just got this. So, you know, I don't know. Does this qualify as part of the barrel adjacent? I know this is not something for the barrel proper, but we could say that this is like barrel adjacent. Or are we just going to say that, yeah, we got hosed on this one from barrel and blade? I don't know, guys. And we didn't get no card. There was no card in the box or anything. So we got a 3A panel. We got a incendiary book from the Army. We got some polish, some metal polish, which is awesome. Fire suppression stuff. And we got the Cuda. This is what we got. Hopefully that's all in frame. Boom, there you go. Ta-da. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to think about this box. I'm going to be 100% real with you. I don't know what to think. This kind of stuff right here is, it's kind of, I don't know. It's useful because apparently everybody in my community says I'm a hoarder. So I guess I just put this with the rest of the stuff that I apparently hoard. I don't know about this. I'll have to do more research. This, A+. This is, you know, it's nice to have stuff like this, right? Especially for me going in my RV. But I got the big cans for, and I actually got stuff that will put out electrical fires. So I got, 2 different cans. One for like grease fires and stuff like that. And then I got the blanket, like the, what is it? It's like a fiberglass kind of situation. It's a blanket that you can just like throw over your stove and it'll put it out. So I got that. So I'm going to tell you, out of this barrel and blade, to me, the MVPs are going to be the panel and the polish. PP. Panel, polish. Polish panel. This is what is, to me, this is what's good in this right here. I'm just saying. So I don't know. All right, so sound off in the comments section down below what you guys think about this box from, I don't want to be mean and say barrel or blade. It's from Barrel and Blade, okay? You can go off in the comments section down below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you made it this far, I really greatly appreciate you. And if you made it this far, may the good Lord bless you. And thank you for being here. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Give me a thumbs up on the video if you don't mind. I really greatly appreciate you on that. And with that, I'm out of here. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.